Imagine waking up and checking your phone, seeing money rolling into your account, even while you were asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2025, this is absolutely possible. Today, I'm going to share 7 powerful passive income ideas that you can start right now. And the best part, you don't need any investment to get started. Make sure you stick around till the end because the last idea is the most powerful one. And if you combine even 2 or 3 of these, your financial life could completely change. Hey everyone, welcome back to Asset Bloom, where we help you grow your money and build financial freedom. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I post videos that will literally change the way you think about money. Now, let's dive straight into these 7 passive income ideas for 2025. 1. Create and sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, printables, or templates are booming in 2025. You only create it once and keep selling it forever. Examples: Canva templates, resumes, business cards, planners, ebooks on topics you're passionate about, mini video courses on Skillshare, or Udemy tip. Use platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. They handle everything. You just focus on creating the product. 2. Start a YouTube automation channel. You don't need to show your face, and you don't need fancy equipment. Niche channels like motivation, finance, tech facts, story narration are blowing up. The trick: write scripts or hire freelancers. Use stock videos and AI voiceovers, then upload consistently. Once monetized, YouTube pays you every single month. Literally passive income. Platforms like Pictory or InVideo can help you create videos super easily. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you already use and love, and earn a commission for every sale. Amazon Associates is a great starting point, but higher paying affiliate programs are out there, like software tools, ClickFunnels, Canva Pro, Bluehost, etc. You can promote through TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube, or even a simple blog. Once your links are out there, they can keep generating sales 24/7. 4. Print and demand. Want to sell t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without buying inventory. That's exactly what print and demand is. Websites like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble let you upload your designs, and they handle printing and shipping. You can use free tools like Canva to design quotes or simple graphics. No design skills needed. Every time someone buys, you get paid without touching a single product. 5. Sell stock photos or videos. If you have a smartphone, you can start this today. Take high-quality photos or short videos and upload them to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Storyblocks. Once uploaded, people can download your work for years, and you keep earning royalties. Tip: focus on trending themes like remote work, diversity, lifestyle, and AI technology images. These sell more. 6. Build a simple blog and monetize with ads. Blogging is still live in 2025, and it's more profitable than ever. Write about a specific niche: personal finance, travel, parenting tips, fitness, etc. Use a free platform like Medium or start a WordPress blog almost free. Once your blog gets traffic, you can make money from Google Ads, affiliate links, and even sponsorships. The best part? Single blog post can make you money for years. 7. License your skills or knowledge if you're good at something. Editing, design, writing, coding. You can turn it into passive income. Example: create a template, toolkit, or resource pack and sell it. Or turn your knowledge into a subscription model: Patreon, Substack, or a private membership group. People pay you monthly for access to your expertise or tools. Now, the biggest mistake people make is trying all 7 ideas at once. Don't do that. Pick just 1 or 2 from this list. Go Elin, and once it's working, add the next one. That's how you build real passive income. So which idea are you going to start with? Comment below, I want to know. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Asset Bloom so you never miss the latest money growth strategies. I'll see you in the next video. But until then, remember, don't work for money, make money work for you.